Bop, ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba. Beep, ba-dee-bee-dee-dee, beep. Boop, ba-doo-doo-doo-doo, boop. Hey. Ba-doo! Ba-doo! Savage. Welcome to our show!
Savages.
Hey guys, there's Eat. Hey Eat, what's up, buddy? Just waiting for you. Well, no more waiting. We are here.
Okay, let's go inside. I want to get the front seat of Miss Kiss's class.
Agreed. Let's go.
Crap!
What happened?
Dropped the homework books on my foot.
You good?
Yeah.
Good. Just suck it up, Buttercup.
Oh, shut up.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss Kiss.
Okay, roll call. When I say your name, say here. Jerry, Bobby, Nick, Mary, Lucy, Sam, Butternut, Maher, Bob, the Builder, Hugo, Adeline. Here. Lax, Piggy Princess 319.
Here.
Jack, Carla Tarbar.
Here.
Ash, E2006.
Hey, yo, what's up, teach?
Okay, we have 4 out of 16. Let's watch a movie.
Yay!
Okay, class. For the 4 kids I have. The movie is over. Class dismissed. No, I hate Miss Johnson's class.
Yeah, me too. She is so mean and she makes math so boring.
Well, maybe if we just act like we are not there, she will not notice us and we will not get in trouble.
I mean, Addie, I agree, but how?
Follow me.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss Johnson.
Ooh. Let's get started. What is 8,769 times 38,574? Anyone? Hello? Get off anything you have and answer the question. Pinky or one of your friends, can you answer my question? Sorry, ma'am. I don't know. Oh, you are calling me old. Guess what? You and your weird little friends can join me in detention for a week. Understood?
What?
Oh, you are talking back, I see. 2 weeks. Enjoy your day, weirdos. Class dismissed.
La 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 la.
Thank you for watching!